Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do, courtesy of SunSeeker. This is a YummyBazzaar Power 40-volt, 18-inch walk-behind lawnmower. It comes with everything. We're going to set it up and get to cutting. So definitely check them out. They have Prime Day sales still going. See what other goodies they have to offer. All you gotta do is click my affiliate link, which is down below, and see what other goodies they have. But if you like this one, add it to your cart now and check out. Really cool stuff they got going on now. So here's one of them. We'll see what's inside and then put it together. Alright guys, this is what it looks like when you open it. Got the mower right there, battery pack and charger kit right here. Put that on the ground. See, really nice blue. Easy, boom. Got the manual. Definitely gonna need it to put it together. This might be the power. Right there, there's another box. So everything's here. All the way to the bottom, got the wheels. Alright, next up, putting it together. And now we got everything out. There's some screws for the handles. Got the manual. Got this long piece. Here's the batteries that came into 2 white boxes. Those are them. They got the handle right there. And here she is. And got the other part right there. Can't wait to get this started. Be right back. Alright guys, here we go. We got it all installed. All the way up. All the way up. We got the handles there. Next will be installing the battery, because I'm not going to be using this too often. My grass is not that tall, but you could if you want to. All you got to do is swap it out. Really easy to do. That's where you put the battery. You guys can see right there. Just pop it in and it starts. Pretty easy. And I'll show you the blade. Here's a blade. Looking good. Be careful, it is sharp. So don't put your fingers. And then there's where the mulching. Here's the tires. Definitely excited. Here's what it looks like all the way that side. But super lightweight. And you can just fold it and put it anywhere in the garage, so you don't need to have it out. So if you want to save some room, there's ways of folding it and then to store it. But really nice right here. And now we're gonna go charge up the battery. I would charge it up overnight. I think it has enough juice for the video, so I'm on a time limit, but definitely charge it maybe overnight before you cut the grass, because it does take a lot of juice. So one good charge, you'll be good for probably front and back, depending on your size of your lawn. So, but here we go, outside.